natin ang isubo, yung marshmallow. Ayan, ang sasabihin ay Christmas and year-end fellowship. O, bawal kagatin. Lagay lang sa bibig, okay? Ayan, Christmas and year-end fellowship. Okay, ready? O, dito muna tayo kay Maaya. Go.
Christmas and year-end fellowship.
Yo, pasok! Ano, isa pang try. Last try.
Two tries.
Two tries. Last.
Christmas and year-end fellowship.
Pasok, pasok, pasok!
Christmas and year-end fellowship.
Oh, lumalaban. Sige, go, go.
Natutunan na siya. Finally. Christmas and year fellowship.
Year-end fellowship. Kaya yan. Oh, laban.
Ang cute mo kasi, ma.
Sabi siya. Hindi, try mo lang.
Christmas and year-end fellowship.
Malinaw pa, malinaw. Oh, pasok pa, pasok. Oh.
Christmas and year-end fellowship.
Oh.
Wow! Christmas and year-end fellowship. Christmas and year-end fellowship.
Oh, lumalaban, lumalaban. Dalawa agad, dalawa. Oh, dalawa. Para tapos agad. Oh, bili. Oh, bawal lunukin. Dalawa. Dalawa.
Tunaw.
Ayan.
Nagget.
Dalawa. At least busog na kayo. Ayan, dalawa. Nag-iisip na paano magkakasya. Go! Oh, go! Mabilis. Mabilis agad. Oh.
Christmas and year-end fellowship.
Oh, pasok pa. Go.
Christmas and year-end.
Ano? Sige. Malinaw pa, malinaw.
Christmas and year-end fellowship.
Naglalagay na siya. Ay, hindi ba susubo? Ano, kaya pa? Sige, upo na muna. Ikaw, kaya pa? Hindi na agad. Agad.
Christmas and year-end fellowship.
Okay.
Christmas and year-end fellowship.
Ay.
Christmas and year-end fellowship.
Oh! Dito lapit yung ano. Dalawa din agad. Dalawa pa. Dalawa. Lapit na kayo dito, yung mga pasok. Ayan. Okay. Tabi-tabi na kayo. Dalawa, dalawa. Maliit. Wala. Magkakasize. Okay, ready? Yung pinakamalakas ang mananalo, mag-ship. Okay, ready? Dito kayo. Judge kayong dalawa na wala. Dito, tingnan nyo. 1. Ready? Dito kayong dalawa. Kayo, yan. Tignan natin kung sino yung pinakamalakas na malinaw. Okay? Okay, face here, everybody. Yan, yung finalist natin. Mananalo ng isang, asa na yon? Yung prize natin. Jelly Yum. Mananalo siya ng Jelly Yum Yum. Okay, ready? Lakasan nyo, ha? Ready? Go! Isa pa. 1, 2, 3, go! Bakit yung tinatakpan yung bibig nyo? Dapat hindi. 1, 2, 3, go! Sino yung dalawang magaling? Dalawang magaling. Sino? Ito kasi si Maaya, pasok. At saka, sige, hati na kayo. Hati. Hati na lang kayo. Congratulations. Okay, okay. Sige, kainin nyo na. Sige, kainin nyo lang.